Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to withdraw from your Bet365 account. Now if you want to withdraw from your Bet365 account but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started now. Withdrawing your fund from Bet365 and is easy and can be done through several methods. Now you can do it in a very easy way by logging into your Bet365 account, and to log in make sure that you have installed the Bet365 app on a device. So if you have not, you may install it from App Store or Play Store. After that you need to open Bet365 app on a device and you need to log in by using the username and password. So after that you may click on the option of login, and from there you may click on the option of balance, which is at the very top of the screen. So you'll see the option of balance at the very top of the screen, and there you need to select the withdraw option. So there under balance you'll see the option of withdraw, so click on it, and there you need to select a withdrawal method. So you may select the option like bank transfer, debit or credit card, e-wallets or prepaid card. So select the method which you think is good for you, and after that make sure to keep in mind that withdrawal option may be depending on a country and the payment method which you use for deposit. So after that you may enter the withdrawal amount, so ensure that you meet the withdrawal limit for your chosen method, and after that you may confirm the withdrawal and click on the option of withdraw to withdraw the amount of your choice. After that you need to simply wait for a certain time, and it may usually take 24 hours to receive the balance which you have withdrawn on your account. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.